Today, I'll show you how to download and install the older CapCut version 11.08, which still gives you access to free features that are now locked in CapCut Pro. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button so YouTube shares this video with more editors like you. Why use the older version? As you probably know, recent CapCut updates have locked many effects, fonts, and transitions behind payment. But the older version, 11.08, still lets you use most of these features for free. That's why so many people want to go back to it. Quick question for you. Do you prefer the old CapCut or the new one? Let me know in the comments below. To get this version, you'll need to download the APK file. Use a trusted website like APK Mirror, Filerox, or Up2Down. Just search for CapCut 11.08 download. Please avoid random sites. They can contain viruses or unsafe files. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss my editing hacks and tutorials. First, if you already have the latest CapCut installed, uninstall it. You can't install the older version while the new one is still on your phone. Next, download the CapCut 11.08 APK from APK Mirror or Up2Down. 3. Go to your phone, Settings Security Enable Install from unknown sources. 4. Tap the APK file, install it, and open CapCut. Pro tip: after installing, go to your Play Store settings and turn off auto updates for CapCut. Otherwise, your phone might update it back to the latest version automatically. That's it. You now have CapCut 11.08 with more free tools unlocked. Section 4. Important notes, overlay warning text. Keep in mind, older versions don't get updates, new templates, or bug fixes. If something doesn't work, you can always reinstall the latest version from the Play Store. And if you're still watching right now, drop a CapCut Pro free 100% in the comments so I know you're part of the real ones. That's how you safely download and install CapCut version 11.08 to unlock free features. If this video helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and share this video with your editing friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.